Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of ADA subject. Currently we are learning about making change problem. In previous lesson we have learned our problem number 1, which is find out total number of ways which we can make change of given amount using the coin given. And now in this lecture we are going to learn find out minimum number of coins to make certain amount using given coins. Okay, so in both of the case you will have some different type of coins and certain amount. Okay, so what problem number 2 says, if we have coin 1, 5, 6 and 9 and our amount is 10, then how we can find minimum number, or we can say minimum coins which we can make this amount. Okay, so in this table our columns stores our coins 1, 5, 6 and 9. In this row we will store our amount. We will start from 0 and go up to the maximum amount, which is 10. Okay, so here this 0 to 10 are amount, and 1 to 9, 1, 5, 6, 9 are our given coins. Okay, so here something is different than our previous problem. In our previous problem, in this table we were writing here number of ways which we can make this amount, but in this table we will put values with number of, or we can say minimum of coin which we can make this amount. Okay, so for making 0 amount, how many coins are needed? So 1 rupees 0 coins are needed for making 0 amount. To make amount of 1, how many 1 rupee coins are needed? So 1 coin is needed to make amount of 1. 1 rupee coins minimum is needed to make 2. 3 1 rupee coins is needed to make amount 3. 4 1 rupee coins is needed to make amount 4. Is like same 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 1 rupees ko will make amount of 10. Okay, so if we use 1 rupee coin, then these are the minimum number of coin needed to make amount. Okay, so now let's take 5 here. So here 5 is greater than 1. So here our condition, if coin is greater than our amount, then copy value from above. Okay, so for 1, 2, 3 and 4 we will copy our value from above. Okay, so now for 5 is not greater than our amount, so we will have to calculate this thing. For calculating this thing, we will put a function, minimum function. In minimum function we will take 2 things. First thing will be, if we do not include this 5, then how many ways we are, how many minimum coins we have? Then 5 coins we have there. So we will put a function minimum. In that we will have first value is 5, means if we do not use this 5, then 5 minimum coins is needed. But if we use this 5 rupee coin, then how many coins will be needed? So if we use 1 5 rupee coins, means 5 and our amount is 5. So if we deduct this coin from this amount means 5 minus 5, so value is 0, so we will go into this row at the value 0, so we will have 0, so we will use one 5 rupee coin and plus 0 means we will have only one coin to make this 5 rupee amount. Okay, again I will explain this minimum function for 6. So here if we do not use this 5 rupee coin, then we will need 6 minimum coin to make our amount 6, and if we use this 5 rupee coin, then 5 and 6, so we will deduct this 5 from amount 6, so one 5 rupee coin plus 6 minus 5 is 1, so we will move to the 1 in this row, so we will have value 1, so 1 plus 1 means we will need minimum 2 coin to make 6 rupee amount. As like same, we can calculate for 7, 8, 9 and for 10 we will have 10 minimum coins if we do not use this 5 rupee coin. But if we use this 5 rupee coin, then 10 minus 5 means 1 plus 10 minus 5 is 5, so 1 plus go into this row at the 5, so 1, so 1 plus 1 will be the 2, so we will need minimum 2 coins of 5 rupee to make amount 10. As like same, we can calculate all the values. Okay, so we will calculate this value, this sales value. Our amount is 9 and our coin is 9, so this condition is not applicable. So for making amount of 9, if we do not include this 9 rupee, then we have 4 minimum number coin needed. But if we include this 9 rupee, then deduct this 9 rupee from this amount 9, so 9 minus 9 means 0, so 1 plus go to the 0 into this row, so here 0 also, so 1 plus 0 means one way, or we can say one minimum coin is required to make 9 rupee amount. Okay, again for this 9 and 10, so deduct this 9 from 10, so 1 plus go to the 1 into this row, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so always you will find your minimum number of coin required to make this amount into this corner. Okay, so this is the second problem of making change. So this is it for today's lecture. If you find some understanding from this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.